Get ready to dive into a world of classic motorcycles under $5,000. From roaring choppers to rare gems with original miles, this list has something for everyone. But wait, what about a bike that starts every time or a vintage racer ready to hit the trails? Let's explore. Number 1, 1975 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Chopper, $3,500. Located in Laurel Hill, North Carolina, this 1975 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Chopper is a striking custom classic. Featuring a Springer front end, ape hangers, and plenty of chrome accents, it's built to turn heads wherever it goes. This iconic motorcycle is in excellent condition, runs smoothly, and is ready to hit the road. Perfect for Harley enthusiasts or anyone looking for a bold, vintage ride, this chopper captures the spirit of the open road. The seller is open to trades, making an appealing opportunity for those seeking a unique and stylish machine. Number 2, 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $2,500. Located in Greenville, Ohio, this 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster is a well-maintained classic ready for the road. It features an S&S Shorty carburetor, electronic ignition, and upgraded rods and pistons, offering improved performance and reliability. Known for its iconic style and robust build, the Sportster runs and rides great, making it a fantastic option for enthusiasts or newcomers to the world of vintage Harley-Davidsons. At this price point, it's an excellent opportunity to own a piece of American motorcycling history. Number 3, 1969 Yamaha YA6, $2,795. Located in Granbury, Texas, this 1969 Yamaha YA6 is a rare find with just 675 original miles on the clock. Powered by a 125cc engine, it features both electric and kickstart, blending convenience with classic style. Recently serviced, this bike boasts new tires and is in excellent running condition. With a clean Texas title in hand, it's ready to hit the road and provide a smooth, nostalgic riding experience. Perfect for collectors or anyone seeking a vintage Yamaha in remarkable shape, this YA6 is a standout classic motorcycle. Number 4, 1973 Honda Custom Old School Chopper, $3,000. Located in Alpena, Michigan, this 1973 Honda Custom Old School Chopper combines vintage charm with modern updates. Featuring a fresh engine, new wiring, and classic chopper styling, it's built for both performance and aesthetics. Highlights include a Springer front end and a timeless vintage frame, adding to its authentic old school appeal. This unique custom creation is a standout choice for enthusiasts who value individuality and craftsmanship. Ready to ride and looking for the right buyer to appreciate its distinctive character. Number 5, 1975 Honda CB750 Chopper, $3,200. Located in West Plains, Missouri, this 1975 Honda CB750 Chopper showcases an old-school build with a hardtail frame and classic chopper design. Equipped with new tubes and tires, it's a testament to vintage craftsmanship and durability. This survivor is ready to hit the road or serve as a foundation for further restoration. Ideal for enthusiasts who appreciate the iconic CB750's legacy and the custom touches that make this bike a standout piece. A great find for fans of classic choppers with authentic character. Number 6, 1976 Honda CB, $3,000. Located in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, this 1976 Honda CB is an original classic that starts effortlessly every time. Beneath its matte silver vinyl wrap lies the bike's original red paint, preserving its nostalgic charm. This CB also comes with most of its original accessories, making it an excellent choice for collectors or riders who appreciate authentic vintage motorcycles. Whether you're looking to restore it to its factory look or ride it as is, this Honda combines reliability and timeless style, ready to delight its next owner. Number 7, 1977 Yamaha IT-175. Located in Rhinelander, Wisconsin, this 1977 Yamaha IT-175 is a fantastic choice for racing enthusiasts and off-road adventurers alike. Featuring a DG head, this lightweight and agile motorcycle is perfectly suited for enduro competitions or casual trail riding. The lights are fully functional, adding extra usability for evening rides, though it is sold without a title. Known for its rugged design and excellent handling, this vintage Yamaha offers a thrilling ride and a nostalgic connection to classic off-road motorcycling. A great opportunity for collectors or riders seeking a unique and capable bike. Number 8. 1978 Honda Hondamatic CB400A, $2,200. Located in Baldwin, Missouri, this 1978 Honda CB400A is a distinctive and practical find for riders looking for a vintage bike with modern convenience. Equipped with Honda's automatic-like transmission, it offers a smooth, easy ride, making it perfect for both new and experienced riders. The bike features both electric and kickstarters, ensuring reliable starting in any situation. Recently tuned up, this Honda CB400A runs smoothly and is ready for the road. With a clean title, it's an excellent option for those seeking a fun and dependable classic motorcycle. Number 9. 1970 Honda CT70. Located in Grand Rapids, Michigan, this 1970 Honda CT70 is a barn find that offers fantastic restoration potential. While it's not currently running, the bike is mostly complete and provides an excellent opportunity for vintage motorcycle enthusiasts looking for a rewarding project. Known for its compact design, durability, and versatility, the Honda CT70 is a timeless mini bike that's perfect for off-road adventures or casual cruising. With some work, this bike could be fully restored to its former glory, making it an ideal addition to any classic motorcycle collection. Number 10. 1969 Yamaha CT1 500L. Located in Sacramento, California, this 1969 Yamaha CT1 is an affordable project bike with good compression. While it needs electrical and carburetor work, it offers a solid foundation for anyone looking to restore a vintage Yamaha. With its classic design and durability, the CT1 is a great option for those seeking a rewarding restoration project. Priced to sell, it's a great entry-level bike for enthusiasts looking to bring a piece of motorcycle history back to life. That's it for today's lineup, Moto Market Explorers. If any of these bikes caught your eye, let us know in the comments. Remember, these deals won't last long, so act fast if you're interested. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow bike enthusiasts. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.